And we are live. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Learn Plan Profit. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing start to the morning. GameStop absolutely tanking pre-market. I know I had some fun trading it. So I've been following this thing since 3 a.m. in the morning. It's 6:30 now. Obviously, if you've been up, you've seen some of the content that I've uploaded already. GameStop, from being up 40% in the green, has now given back all of its gains and is now 15% in the red. I went long on GameStop. I went short on GameStop during this pre-market session. Let me go ahead and pull it up. Where is it? Do I have it here? Yeah, it's halted. So I'm up $20,000 so far, $20,213. I have no open position right now. I left myself with 0 shares because I don't know if I'm going to go long or I'm going to go short. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for direction to be more clear. If I see the price action go extremely bullish, I'll look out for that. If price action is extremely bearish, I'll go short. My main focus is I want to stay very, very light. I want to make sure that if direction ultimately changes on me very quickly, I don't want to average down. I don't want to do any of that. I just want to cut losses. Sell orders, and there it goes. Whoa, big gap up. Looks like we're going to be testing the moving average. Let's see where that price action follows. I'm going to go with a market order. Please, please, please do not take a trade if you cannot tolerate the risk. This is an extremely risky stock. I'm not here to sugarcoat it. Please be aware of that. Watch for a potential resistance here. Or are we going to go long? We're going to break above or go short. This would be a good one. It's going long. That will be easy for me to cut losses on. If it breaks below the moving average, I will be out. I'm only in with 100 shares, which is about $4,000. Again, these halts are completely normal. These halts are a consequence of if a stock seems to be manipulated. This happens with penny stocks. This happens with pump and dumps. This happens all the time. Tesla's right back to the highs of 178. Opening short on Tesla. So I'll do a $40,000 short. It's a little bit under 40,000, so it's about 200 shares. Just so you could see very quickly. 200 shares, average price 178.39, just so you could see that, $35,000. Why would I do that? Again, we've been following this one for quite some time. It's good to understand overbought and oversold levels. This thing could still run to 180. It could still run to 182. That's fine. I'm pretty light on the position. Definitely some pullback potential down to the lows of 172. It does a lot of this consolidation, especially with what recent news has been shared. Wouldn't really surprise me if this thing begins to drop. So here we go. Just going to sell it. I know that that's not what you guys want to see, but anytime it gaps up quickly, I just made $2,000 with that halt from when it gapped up. That is stupid money. It's too good to be true. I don't want to risk it. I just locked in profits. Okay, there we go. Okay. Again, just because I sell does not mean that you need to. You could continue to hold if you want to. We have that same previous resistance. We'll see if we break below. Open short here. 100 shares. And it's going to get halted again. Watch. I'll do another 100 shares. Each 100 shares about $4,000. A halt can take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Break below $44. That's what I'm looking for right here. There we go. Oh, I just got halted. Yeah, it just got halted. We're up 22.4K. I'm doing, you could see my shares, right? I'm trading with a much smaller position size. I'm respecting GME, keeping it light, keeping it tight. I'm locking in profits. I'm taking profits quick. Getting in, getting out, keeping size small. And there it goes. Nice little reversal forming here for Tesla. Definitely, there's a lot of consolidation happening right now on Tesla. So if you wanted to wait for confirmation of that reversal, I think that's a much safer play for sure. I completely agree with you. 172, 173, more on the conservative side. There it goes. Tesla confirming that reversal. I'll do another 100 shares short. I'd love to sell it at 173. Right? That'd be quite beautiful. GME should be coming back shortly. Oh, there it goes. Looks like it's finding its support here at 44 bucks. Let's see if it is. Watch for a potential support here. There it goes, dropping like it's hot, dropping like it's hot. Testing moving average, beautiful drop. Covering 500 shares just like that. I'm covering it quick. I'm telling you guys, I don't want to play today. I don't want to play like that today. Watch for a potential support here right around $41 per share. Beautiful. Dropping. Sold half my position already, so I've reduced it quite nicely. It is beginning to show signs of a support, so make that of, yep, it's showing signs of a support. I must respect it. I'm going to reduce it another 250 shares. That means I have a total of 250 shares left with GME. Yeah, watch for a potential support here. Yep. Covering the rest here. Just playing it safe. It could break below this EMA. And there it goes. I could always re-enter. That's the beautiful thing about it. I want to see progress. I want to see progress below that EMA. If you want to lock in profits, lock it in. You're not here to impress anyone. You're here doing it for yourself and your future self. So take profits when it makes sense. Remember, this is a risky stock. This is not a BS stock. This is it's a BS company. Did it just get halted again? That's testing the same support. So we still haven't broke its pattern now. We're probably slightly in the green. Yep. Oh, GME is back. Oh, there we go. GME is back. This is not looking good for them. Oh shoot, not 2,500 shares. Oof. Let's see. Is this a break-if pattern or? Testing support here. Oh, she's getting risky. Making lows, 38. Beautiful. Come on, more. 38. There it goes. Beautiful. Let's pull the rug off of this thing. New lows, 38.50. Beautiful. Buying 250 shares, covering. Beautiful. Covering. Beautiful. All right, let's just cover it all. There we go. All right. Got halted again, but we got out. Again, this is what we call party mode. $25,000 in the green, all within, pre-market and normal trading hours for this live session. But here we go. $25,349.62. Closed out our position on GME. Oh my goodness, boys. Guys, I just have to say, it feels good to be back. Roaring Kitty, thank you for coming back to pump it all up, because guess what? I'm just so grateful. We waited for confirmation to make money as this thing sold off. Happy Friday, everyone. Can you guys hear it? Oh my goodness. Could almost cry. That was too good. Roaring Kitty or Roaring Ricky? I don't know. But all I'm telling you is Roaring Kitty is not in the green today. Hey, we have my short on Tesla, which I'm up another $170. So, yep. I mean, it's a good day overall. I'm very grateful, very blessed. Thank you guys again for being here and watching this. Please, I mean, you guys know that I like making fun of these like Reddit traders. I hope that you don't act like them, right? I have no problem you going long, right? At the end of the day, it's your money. You do whatever it is that you think is right. My issue with Reddit traders is not that they go long on GME. Make your money. But this is a pump and dump. That's all it is. So make your money and bounce. Know when to take profits. Manage that risk. Hold yourself accountable. It's not about pointing the finger to the big guy and blaming them for all of your problems. You have the opportunity to lock in profits. You can always jump back in. Just a nice and friendly reminder. I wish you nothing but the best. I hope that we're under thumbs up. And if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out via Discord, and we'll love to answer any questions you might have. Make your money and bounce. Let that be the motto for 2024. Appreciate your time. Hope that we're under thumbs up. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care.